Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are in front of the Skill Training Center for Women. It's Baghban's initiative. The implementation partner of this project will be Baghban Trust in Pakistan. This place is Burqa. It's a village Burqa in district Bagh in Azad Kashmir. This is the building which has been chosen for this particular center. It has two main halls. It has an office for the teachers. It has a kitchen facility as well as washing facilities for women. And we will be teaching 25 girls each term. We're extremely grateful to our funding partner, Muslim Aid Australia, for coming forward and help us fund this great initiative. And I thank Muslim Aid Australia on behalf of Baghban's team in Pakistan and Baghban Incorporated in Australia and the people of Burqa in Azad Kashmir. Thank you for the great initiative. You will be hearing from us on the progress made by the students of this center. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.